I just came out of a deliverance session with a woman who was experiencing delay in marriage, stagnation in her life. She's not able to work. She's got to take care of sick parents. All kind of horrific things are happening to her. Just all kind of chaos and confusion. It's just one thing after the next. And I wanted to know what was at the bottom of this. And we found a blood contract with an ancestor from 1974 in Louisiana. Her ancestor, her ancestor's first name was Eula, so that was a long time ago. But she made a contract in 1974 for marriage and wealth. So she came to the devil, and this is what she had to do. She adopted a baby boy, and she took him and unalived him in the backyard and ate his heart. She had to do this if she wanted something from the devil, the powers. She brought in the spirit of Leviathan. He married the whole bloodline when this woman did this. It brought in backwardsness, delay, stagnation, no progress, poverty, anti-marriage, divorce, singleness, no breakthrough, never getting ahead, lust of the eyes, no progress. And it also brought in spirit children. Edward keeps her hidden. He puts a veil over her. Rachel brings in rejection. She has no friends. Emma isolates her. George covers her mouth, keeps her from speaking up. Larry makes people lie on her. Leviathan watches over the contract. He monitors her. So the first thing we had to do to break this contract was take that baby off the altar. So we took 5-month-old David off of the satanic altars and cast all these demons out, including her grandmother. The ancestral witch spirit was still on this woman in her. And when I cast it out, she coughed up a lot of phlegm. It was a phone. It was a phone call. It wasn't a Zoom, so I didn't really see everything that was happening to her. But I could hear a lot going on over there. But, the sad part was that the mom who gave her baby up for adoption couldn't afford to keep her baby. So she thought she picked a person who would love her child and take care of her, because the mom didn't have money, but the woman who adopted the baby had money. The ancestor had money. So I said all that to say, it's really sad. It's just really sad to see people just sacrifice children and not have any love for children, and don't even understand that they're cursing their whole bloodline when they give up their children for abortion. Start your deliverance journey today with the Breaking Curses 101 School of Deliverance. You can get delivered in the privacy of your own home. We've served over 6,000 people since 2016. So check out my link in the description below to take my free course to get started.